So here's a little before shot of my face. Here I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. Here I'm applying triangle shapes underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and the middle of my forehead to highlight. Make sure your beauty blender is damp and then just dabbing motions to blend it out. Using BH Cosmetics contouring palette for my contour. Cheekbones, jawline, forehead, and the sides of your nose for contouring. Now for the nose contour. A little bit more detailed, so we take a defined brush. Don't forget to blend it out. Here's a little baking action going on. Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. Look at that highlighter though. I'm looking like a glazed donut. MAC's Painterly Paint Pot all over the lids as our eyeshadow base, so the colors pop more and are more vibrant. Here is a close-up. You want to start from the inner corner of your eye and then work outward, and then you also want to work all the way up to your brow bone. Here I'm just setting it with an eyeshadow that is similar color to the Paint Pot base. I am seriously sister shook over this palette, you guys. Look at all of these beautiful ass colors. Oh my gosh. All of these shade names will be in the description box below if you want specific details. Otherwise, you can just look at the palette and you can kind of follow along and see which colors I use and where I place them. Adding an inner corner highlight. We're going to use the same product to cut our crease. Starting from the inner corner, you want to work really, really slow and outline first, and then gradually fill it in with the Painterly Paint Pot. Take your time, go slow if you're a beginner. Once you're happy with your cut crease, then go ahead and set that with an eyeshadow similar to the Paint Pot color, MAC's Taupe. And here's the final look. I love you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to fly. First, love yourself. Bye guys, till next time.